Hey guys, we're back with another video, and Htr Dog he accepts, and just gonna say I don't hate him. I didn't wait against him to get more subscribers so I can be better. I challenged him just to have some fun. I like him. He's awesome. I subscribe him, and yeah, so I subscribe to him because he has awesome videos. I love his streams. Yeah. And I scrolled down his videos. He had lots of cool videos. Oh yeah, he has awesome videos. All my subscribers go subscribe him because he's gonna about to hit 70. That's exciting. Yeah, brah. Yeah. If you subscribe to him, that'll be amazing. That'll help him a lot because he's getting 70. I can't wait for him to hit 100. He's so close to hit 100. So yeah, like and subscribe, Well, subscribe HDR Dog's videos and like his. Like HDR Dog's videos and subscribe him. That'll be a lot better. Bye.